Ceramic coatings work. I've been doing this since 2013. Ceramic coatings work. They are better than waxes and sealants. Telling you the truth. I've been telling everybody the truth about ceramic coating. Telling you the truth. Scratch resistant, not scratch proof. Doesn't stop rocks from chipping your paint. That's PPF. Showing you vehicles that come back year after year after year. Ceramic coatings work. I'm the one that made everyone in Acadiana have to be honest about what a ceramic coating is. Professionally installed. Ceramic coatings work. Somebody's holding a spray bottle, sprays a liquid. That's not a ceramic coating. Ooh, Amazon's cute. I can buy this for $59.99. Is it gonna work? Probably, but you don't even know how to install it. And if it's that easy to install, it's not going to last. Ceramic coatings work, people. This truck is an example.